Welcome to the Profitable Wellbeing Podcast, the podcast dedicated to helping wellness business owners and entrepreneurs better understand their finances and increase profitability. Dream big and create meaningful business plans and plan exit strategies for long-term financial success. Now, let me introduce you to your host, Nicola D. Cross.
Welcome back to episode 19 of Profitable Wellbeing Podcast. And today I am talking about ghosting your accountant and why by empowering yourself to challenge this belief, this may in fact be the catalyst for your financial growth. For many business owners, the relationship with their accountant is complicated. Maybe you dread their emails or avoid their calls because you're not quite sure what they're talking about. Or perhaps you've convinced yourself that accountants are just for taxes and compliance. Does this sound familiar? It's time to change that narrative. Your accountant can be one of your most valuable allies if you let them. In this episode, we'll explore why you might be avoiding your accountants, how to build a stronger relationship with them, and why that relationship is key to scaling your business. Let's start by getting real about why you might be ghosting your accountant. Many business owners face similar challenges, which can make the idea of working closely with your accountant seem intimidating or frustrating. Based on feedback from my clients about their previous accountants, here are the top 5 reasons you might find yourself avoiding yours. They don't understand that I just don't understand. Many accountants assume their clients are fluent in financial jargon. Terms like accruals and deferred tax might as well be a foreign language if you're not familiar with accounting. This disconnect can leave you feeling lost and reluctant to engage. Imagine sitting through a meeting where the acronyms and complex terms are being thrown around and you're left nodding along, not wanting to appear uninformed. Over time, this lack of clarity can build a wall between you and your accountant, making it harder to have open and productive conversations. They speak too fast. Accountants often have a lot of information to share, but the speed and technicality of their explanations can overwhelm business owners. Picture yourself in this meeting where your accountant is explaining your financials at lightning speed, leaving you scrambling to keep up. This rapid-fire communication style can discourage you from asking questions or seeking clarification, creating a communication gap that ultimately hurts your business. Another one I've heard, I feel judged. If you're not confident in financial knowledge, it's easy to feel judged or embarrassed when discussing your financials. Many business owners worry that their accountants view them as unprepared or uninformed, which can lead to avoidance. For example, you might hesitate to bring cash flow struggles up or overdue invoices, fearing that your accountant will criticize your business practices. This fear of judgment can prevent you from getting the help you need. Another one I've heard, I don't see the value beyond compliance. If you're only using your accountant for taxes, you're missing out on their full potential to support your business growth. Accountants can provide insights that go far beyond compliance, such as the strategies for improving profitability, managing cash flow, and planning for long-term financial success. However, if you're not aware of these additional services, or you don't ask for them, you might not see the true value of your accountant's expertise. And then finally, it's intimidating. Talking about money can be uncomfortable, especially if there's a lack of trust or a lack of understanding within the relationship. For example, discussing overdue tax payments or financial setbacks can feel daunting and emotional, and this discomfort might lead you to avoid the conversation altogether. Building trust, fostering a sense of partnership with your accountant is essential to overcoming this intimidation fear. A good accountant is so much more than someone who files your taxes. They're like the head of your finance department, helping you make smart decisions and setting your business up for success. Let's think about why building a strong relationship with your accountant is essential for financial success and financial confidence within your business. Your accountant can help you understand your numbers and use them to make informed choices about where to invest, where to cut back, and how to grow. For example, they can analyze your profit margins to identify which products or services are most profitable, allowing you to focus your efforts on high-value areas. By working closely with your accountant, you can develop a strategy that aligns with your business goals and ensures long-term success. A proactive accountant will navigate the complexities of tax law, ensuring you're about saving money and staying compliant. They can identify deductions and credits you might not be aware of, helping you reduce your tax liability. For instance, they might recommend investments in energy-efficient equipment or highlight ways to take advantage of research and development tax credits. Cash flow is the lifeline of your business. A good accountant will help you forecast and manage it, so you're always prepared for the upcoming expenses and unexpected challenges. They can create a cash flow forecast that outlines your expected income and expenses over the next 6 months, helping you anticipate potential shortfalls and plan accordingly. This proactive approach can prevent cash flow crisis and ensure your business remains financially stable. From compliance to spotting financial red flags, your accountant helps you avoid costly mistakes. They can identify potential risks such as overdue invoices or excessive debt and recommend strategies to help address them. Your accountant might suggest implementing stricter credit control policies or negotiating extended payment terms with suppliers to help improve your cash flow. These measures can protect your business from financial instability and set you up for long-term financial success. Whether it's hiring staff, securing funding, or planning for growth, your accountant's insights can help you up to the next level. They can help you create a financial plan that supports your expansion goals, such as calculating the costs of hiring additional employees or investing in new equipment. By partnering with your accountant, you can ensure that your growth strategy is financially sustainable and aligned with your overall business objectives. If you're not happy with the services you're getting from your accountant, don't worry. I'm going to give you 3 ways you can turn things around and make the most out of the partnership. First of all, sit down and tell your accountant what you need from them. Do you want more regular updates, simplified explanations, more strategic advice? Be specific about your expectations and communicate them clearly. You might request quarterly financial reports with plain English summaries, or ask for a monthly check-in to discuss your financial performance. By setting clear expectations, you can ensure that your accountant's services align with your business needs. There's no such thing as a stupid question when it comes to your business finances. A good accountant will take the time to explain things in plain English and ensure you understand your financials. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification or request additional context if something doesn't make sense. For instance, if your accountant mentions terms you're unfamiliar with, ask them to explain it and provide an example of how this applies to your business. And finally, make sure your records are organized and up to date. The better the data you provide, the better the advice you'll get. Using accounting software to track your income and expenses, reconcile your bank accounts regularly, and ensure all receipts and invoices are properly categorized. By providing correct and complete financial data, you enable your accountant to deliver more valuable insights and recommendations on your business performance. Building a stronger relationship with your accountant doesn't have to be difficult. Here are some tips to make them feel like they're a true partner in your business. Schedule regular meetings. Don't just talk to them at year-end or during tax season. Book quarterly or monthly check-ins to stay on top of your financials. These meetings can provide an opportunity to review your financial performance, discuss upcoming challenges, and plan for the future. You might use these check-ins to review your cash flow forecast, or analyze your profit margins, or discuss potential tax saving strategies. Use technology to collaborate with your accountant. Cloud-based accounting tools can make it easy to share data and stay connected in real time. Platforms like Xero allow you to access your financial data from anywhere, share documents with your accountant, and collaborate on financial planning. By leveraging these tools, you can streamline communication and improve your efficiencies. And finally, treat them as a partner. Shift your mindset. Your accountant isn't just a service provider, they are a key player in your business. View them as a trusted advisor who can help you achieve your financial goals. Involve them in strategic discussions, seek their input on major financial decisions, and share your long-term vision for your business. By treating your accountant as a partner, you can foster a stronger, more collaborative relationship. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about your finances, financial coaching might be exactly what you need. Coaching bridges the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. It's about giving you the tools and the mindset to thrive. A modern accountant should be able to offer financial coaching that can help you with getting clarity on your financial goals, building better money habits, and gaining confidence to take control of your finances. They could help you create a budget, develop a plan to reduce debt, or set achievable financial goals for your business. Think of financial coaching as a way to empower yourself to take charge of your business's future whilst being supported and guided by a numbers expert. A great accountant should do more than just crunch numbers. They should be educating you by taking the time to explain reports and concepts so you understand what's going on. They might talk you through a profit and loss statement, highlighting key trends and other areas for improvements. They should be able to prepare you cash flow forecasts or a dashboard of key metrics so you can see at a glance how you are performing. By providing actionable insights, this will help you improve profitability, manage cash flow, and plan for growth. They might recommend cost-saving measures, identify opportunities to increase revenue, or suggest strategies for managing seasonal fluctuations in your cash flow. By building trust and, most importantly, creating a safe space where you feel comfortable discussing the challenges and asking questions, a great accountant will listen without judgment, offering support and solutions that empower you to make better financial decisions for your business. By simplifying complex concepts and eliminating financial jargon, which can be intimidating, a great accountant should translate complex terms into plain English that you understand. They might explain what cash flow means in practical terms and how it impacts your day-to-day operations. And finally, proactively supporting your financial goals. A great accountant will take the initiative to suggest strategies that align with your long-term business objectives. They might help you plan for an expansion, access the financial impact of launching a new product or service, or evaluating funding opportunities for growth. By focusing on these areas, a great accountant becomes an invaluable partner in your business journey, helping you navigate challenges and seize the opportunities with confidence. Your accountant isn't just a number cruncher. They are a key ally in your business success. By fostering a strong collaborative relationship with your accountant, you can gain the clarity, confidence, and insights needed to scale your business and achieve your goals. Whether it's through better communication, regular check-ins, or financial coaching, the effort you invest in this partnership will pay off tenfold. Remember, you're not alone on your business journey, and with the right support, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Remember this one key point: your accountant is not just a numbers person. They are a key collaborator in building the financial foundation and the future of your business. After all, great businesses are built on great partnerships, and that includes the partnership with your accountant.
Thank you for listening to the Profitable Wellbeing Podcast. If you've enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to follow or subscribe, share this podcast, and leave a rating and review. To discover more about how you can better understand your finances and increase profitability, dream big, and create meaningful business plans and plan exit strategies for long-term financial success, I invite you to book a discovery call with Nicola at nicoladcross.co.uk. See you again soon.